Chief of Defense Forces General Muhoozi Kainerugaba has threatened to behead Bobi Wine, the ghetto president, His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi. Muhoozi said Kabobi knows that the only person protecting him from me is my father. If Mzee was not there, I would cut off his head today. So Muhoozi is saying the only person who always stops him from cutting off the neck or beheading Bobi Wine is President Museveni. And this tweet means as soon as the father is no longer the president, Bobi Wine's head will be cut off. Meaning, as soon as Museveni is no longer the president, Muhoozi says he will kill Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine responded with also a post. Bobi Wine said the threat by Museveni's son, who also hates Uganda's military, to behead me is not something I take lightly, given that many have been killed by him and his father. And considering there are several attempts at my life, I refuse to be intimidated by the cowardly regime. The world is watching. Bobi Wine has brought in an accusation that Muhoozi and Museveni have killed very many people, and he is not taking this threat lightly because he says the world is watching, and he says he refused to be intimidated but has not put the action he will take or the next step he will take after this. So that is something which we can still consider a black box response. And then Muhoozi also updated that you're shocked by that. I haven't even started on that Kabobi fool. Let him run to Mzee for refuge as usual. That's what CDF is saying. Bobi Wine always runs to Museveni for refuge. So it seems like whenever he plans to behead or to kill Bobi Wine, maybe Bobi Wine runs to Museveni. We don't know if that is what is going underground or what. Then the yes man himself, Honorable Dr. Balam Birhanga, replied in a local language, so we don't understand this local language, and we will not even try to read it. Thank you. That is the update from the tweeting general, who has woken up yesterday to a tweeting spree, a number of tweets with a lot of bombarding contents. Thank you.